Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Semrush for site audit fixes, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating Semrush for site audit fixes, first, log in to your Semrush account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the Projects tab to create a new project for your website. Select the Create Project button. Enter your website's domain name in the provided field. Choose a project name that reflects your website for easy identification. Click on the Create Project button to proceed. After creating the project, locate the Site Audit tool in the project dashboard. Click on the Setup button next to the Site Audit option. In the Setup window, you can adjust the crawling settings as needed. Set the crawl scope to include subdomains if necessary. Choose the maximum number of pages you want Semrush to crawl. Next, specify your crawl delay to avoid overwhelming your server. Review and adjust any additional settings according to your needs. Once you have configured the settings, click on the Start Audit button. Wait for Semrush to complete the site audit process. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your website. Once the audit is complete, review the summary of issues found. Click on the Issues tab to see detailed reports. Each issue will be categorized by severity, making it easier to prioritize fixes. Explore the recommendations provided by Semrush for each identified issue. Take note of both on-page and technical SEO issues that require attention. Follow the provided suggestions to implement the necessary fixes on your website. After addressing the issues, return to the Semrush project dashboard. Click on the Start Audit button again to recheck your website. This will help you evaluate if the fixes you applied were effective. Continue monitoring your site regularly by setting up scheduled audits. This ensures ongoing optimization and helps in maintaining good SEO health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.